Hi friends, I am Masilan from Ranga Technologies, Coimbatore. So today we are going to do the trial for this cold press oil extracting machine. So this is a wooden machine. So actually most of the customers are not aware about the cold press machine. Like they have many doubts about the machine. So what is cold press means? I'll just explain you about the machine. So now we are using a motor to run the machine. So this is a motor, but before the traditional method is by the same wooden machine, it is driven by bull type model. So that is an original cold press machine. From that we have developed the machine to the automatic model by using this motor. So this is a pure traditional machine. Why I am saying pure traditional machine? So inside if you see, it's totally a wooden. The crushing part also wooden, the drum part also wooden. So the drum part till the bottom it is made up of wood. So this is not a painting anything we have done. So this is pure wooden finish. So this is a pure wood. Till the bottom you can see that it's a wooden part. So this is a pure cold press machine what we are manufacturing. Actually many of the customers are asking this type of model. So we are doing a same design, but in this you can see that the inner part is also made up of wood. So this is also made up of wood, but the difference is it is not a pure wooden machine because the only the top part is made up of wood. So the bottom is made up of iron part. So this is not a fully wooden. The seating area is made up of cast iron. So what is the drawback in cast iron? If you see, like the food grade material is wooden is a food grade material and stainless steel is food grade material. Like in this model, in my machine what we are doing is made up of fully wooden. So in this model it's a totally a food grade because the top is made up of stainless steel, the bottom is made up of wooden, so the bottom tray is made up of stainless steel 304. So oil containing area is totally made up of food grade material. But in this model the top they are doing with a MS or a stainless steel. The wooden part is made up of food grade. So this is a food grade, but this main drawback is this cast iron. So cast iron is not a food grade material. So this is like a not good for health. Whenever the oil is getting extracted from this part, the oil will have an iron particles. So the blackish color will be coming. The black color oil will be coming from this cast iron because of the cast iron part, steel part. So the bottom also they are doing with a stainless steel or MS sheet. So that's the main difference between fully wooden and this rotary type model. And another one thing is in the bottom we have a direct hole in this, so oil will come directly from this hole. But in my machine we have a lock in the bottom. So we have lock in the bottom, so oil will be stored inside the drum. So after oil is getting fully extracted only we will be taking the oil out. So you will get a filtered oil from this machine. But the main drawback is, so due to the gravity force the oil will come directly to the bottom, and what will happen, it will be mixed with the raw material. So it is not a clear oil. So lots of raw material will be coming with the oil. So everything will be getting fall in the bottom. So the cake, the powder, everything will be mixing with oil and will be coming out. So that's only the drawback in this model. But in my machine it will be getting clear oil. If you take this oil lock, you will get a clear oil, filtered oil you will be getting. So within a 1 day you will get a proper oil. I'll show you the sample. So you can see that. So this is an oil we have extracted. You can see that how it's yellowish. It's a pure filtered, automatically naturally filtered oil. So this is a difference between fully wooden machine and the rotary type model. So and another one drawback is in my machine, if you have any problem, you can solve it by your own, because you can see that there's a motor, there's a pulley. Here we have a pulley and final drive is in the bottom. That's a crown and pinion. But you cannot see anything in this machine. Only the wire you can see out. You cannot see even the motor, what they are using and how it's working inside the machine. In my machine, if you switch on the machine, you can see everywhere how it's working, everything you can see. But in this model, nothing is visible, so everything is closed inside the machine. So if you have any problem, you cannot do it by your own. You cannot see any part like the pulley, the belt, the motor, everything is inside the machine. So they are saying it's a safety purpose, but we are also doing a safety purpose for this. So we are doing a guard. So you can see that. So here we are given a guard. So this is a safety guard. So that will be given over here also. So that is a safety purpose we have given. So like maximum when the customer buys the machine, maintenance should be easy, because every time they should not wait for the technician to come and do the service. So like small things like belt adjustment and greasing, everything can be done easily by our model. So in this, that's another one drawback in this model. So you cannot able to do anything in this machine. Only the technician should come to your shop, they can remove everything and they can do the service. But if in my machine, everything can be done easily by the owner. So this is the main difference between my machine and the other machine. So oil output, everything will be same. Every whatever the raw material we are going to use in the machine, everything will be same in the both model. So we are also doing an next month, by this month end, we are going to introduce a new model. So I'll be uploading the videos regarding that machine within a short period of time. So please subscribe to my channel and like, share my YouTube channel, and thank you. And if anyone is interested to buy my machine, please contact me. I'll give all the details about my machine in the description. So please contact me. Thank you.